Hey guys, another day, another Poshmark Q&A, although it's not really another day when I'm filming this. I actually just filmed a previous Poshmark Q&A, but I'm trying to crank out these videos because I got so many questions from you guys and I want to have videos pre-filmed, and I pre-film videos. I like doing that because, yeah, if I can just knock out like 4 videos in one day and then I don't have to film videos for like a few days, it's amazing. Okay, Poshmark Q&A. You guys ready? First question. Are you able to see past offers on bundles? I have a potential buyer that created a bundle, and I know I sent her an offer in the past, but I cannot for the life of me remember what the amount was. Okay, so unfortunately you can't, which is annoying because, like, are you really supposed to keep track of the offers that you send to people? I mean, maybe Poshmark thinks that you should. But yeah, unfortunately there's no way to see that, which is annoying because I know that I've done this before. Someone has created a bundle. I sent them an offer. They either like declined it or just let the offer go, like it expired. And then I sent them another offer however long later. And then they were like, hey, your first offer was cheaper. Like, what are you doing? I'm like, oops, my bad. It's totally happened to me before. So yeah, unfortunately there's no way to see a previous offer. I feel like Poshmark just has like these little things like that. Like, that's something that's so simple. Why can't they just keep track of that? Or, I mean, it sounds simple to me. Maybe it's super complex to do that. But yeah, I don't know. It just seems simple to me. And that's just one of those like little annoying things that is like, I just wish we could do that. Next question. I've answered this question before, and you know, I get it. Not everyone watches all of my videos, so this is probably someone that has never heard me answer this before. Question is, what do you think about resellers coming out with courses? Have you ever purchased one? Would you ever purchase one? And my answer is no, I've never purchased one. No, I will not. Well, okay, here's the thing. I can't say 100% I'll never purchase one because there have been resellers that I am fond of. One in particular, Rebecca the reseller. Shout out to you. She came out with a course recently, and I was contemplating getting it. It doesn't like really fully apply to me. Her course was how to start a boutique. And that's something that I've been interested in. As far as like other courses go, like, not knocking anyone's hustle. Obviously they make these courses to make an income. Somebody commented on one of my videos and was like, Vanessa, you're knocking our hustle or something like that. I don't know if they were a reseller and they came out with a course too, but I mean, I'm gonna tell you guys my opinion. I don't think that courses are worth it. That's my opinion. I'm not gonna buy one because just like I'm giving you guys free information. You can search on Google, you can search on YouTube for a shit ton of free information. Do what you want. I personally do not think they're worth it because you can get so much information for free. And I have not purchased one, and I can't say 100% that I won't because, like I said, my girl, Rebecca, I'm probably going to purchase your course. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested in it. But yeah, I mean, unless it's like someone that I just want to support, or if it's something I'm genuinely interested in, like that, then yes, I would purchase it. But like 99% of the time, I'm just like, yeah. Okay, next question. I know you said you purchased things on Poshmark before. I was wondering, what is your best Poshmark purchase? This is like so silly, but the first thing that comes to mind is, and I'm not wearing them today, but I usually wear them like almost every day. So I bought 2 pairs of sweatpants off Poshmark, and they're both Victoria's Secret. They're the same exact type of sweatpants. I'll put a picture up because I'm on the hunt for like more of these sweatpants because they're the most comfortable sweatpants ever. But yeah, I bought these sweatpants and I love them. What, honey? You got poo-poo butt? Back from changing the poo-poo butt. Trying to potty train our youngest. And she's just like, I feel like every other kid, where peeing on the potty, you know, we're good. We get that. Like, for the most part, we're still working with her. But pooping, it's like, it's scary. It's scary to poop on the potty. I always think of like, I'm gonna really date myself. Do you guys remember that movie, Look Who's Talking? Does anyone? With Kirstie Alley? yeah, I always think of like Mr. Toilet Man. I don't know. There's just, anyway, back to the Q&A. Okay. Where was I? Oh, my best Poshmark purchase. Yeah. I think it was those sweatpants, honestly, because I get the most use out of them. I have purchased, like a really cool Patagonia jacket. An Alexander Wang purse, a really cute Rebecca Minkoff purse. If you guys want me to make a video like talking about Poshmark purchases, talking about Poshmark purchases that I kept for myself, because I purchase a shit ton of things on Poshmark. Majority of the things I purchase are to resell, but I have made purchases for myself. So if you guys want to see that video, comment down below and let me know. Am I recording? Okay, good. All right, a couple more questions. Hi, Vanessa. I really need your help. I just sold a 5-piece bundle and can't find one of the items in the bundle. What do I do? I've searched everywhere for it and it's literally vanished into thin air. Do I contact the buyer and tell them? Is there a way Poshmark can refund some of the money? Please help. So yes, definitely contact the buyer and tell them that you cannot find one of the items. Poshmark probably will not refund part of the bundle. I would honestly not waste your time contacting them. I would just cancel the sale. And then, you know, if the buyer wants to purchase the remaining 5 items, you can just make another bundle with, 4 items. You can just make a bundle with those 4 items and just do it that way. But yeah, that's happened to me before, where I literally like sell something, not necessarily in a bundle, just like one thing, and I literally cannot find it. And I still haven't found it to this day. I've had instances where I couldn't find something and then, you know, I canceled the sale and found it like right after I canceled the sale or days later. Like it happened. Last question. How do you organize your closet? Do you do it in a specific way? Like, do you share all tops at once and then all bottoms at once, or is it just random? So I used to have it organized by like tops, bottoms, shoes. Like I had little headings for each one, but that's really annoying when sharing, because you have to share your closet in a specific way to have everything line up and match and get. I just didn't have time to do that anymore. Now I just organize my closet by like my favorite, kind of like my favorite-ish things towards the top, or things with the most likes towards the top. So that's it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on the Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get one too, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.